Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the channel. So today's MCQs are taken from the chapter The Cell Cycle of grade 9. So let's try. The process of mitosis ensures that... What do you think happens in mitosis? And the answer is... Each new cell receives the proper number of chromosomes. Let's try another one. Cytokinesis in a plant cell is characterized by a thing that is present in plant cells but not in other cells. And the answer is the formation of a cell plate in the cytoplasm. The next one. Which of the following is unique to mitosis and not a part of meiosis 1? Means something which is same in mitosis but not present in meiosis. And the answer is that the chromatids separate during anaphase. So here comes the next one. Which event distinguishes meiosis from mitosis? It means that what is the difference between some steps of meiosis and mitosis? Try to answer. And the answer is the pairing of homologous chromosomes. It's obvious that the pairing of homologous chromosomes does not occur in mitosis. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And do let me know which other MCQ answers would you like to know.